Hey guys, it's Tabitha. Today we're gonna be doing an Ulzzang bear teddy bear makeup tutorial. Done on my hair. I just got it out of my face a little bit. It's like clipped up. So yeah, hopefully this turns out pretty good since I have not done Ulzzang in a while. It's been quite a few months since I've done Ulzzang. I'm a little bit greasy, a little bit dry at the same time. My hands are mad dry. Please don't mind those if you see those throughout the video. But I'm going to be attempting to do an Ulzzang makeup tutorial. Oh, and by the way, me and Safari have started. If you guys don't know who Safari is, if you used to follow my channel way back a couple years ago, my channel used to be called TNS Besties for Tabitha and Safari. But we have a podcast now and I think it's doing really good. It'll be in the description down below. Please check it out and show us some love, and also go follow Safari. Also, I'm looking a bit busted right now. This is actually really hot, so I think I might actually take this off. So let's get started.
내가 꿈꾼과 너의 꿈이 다르듯이 밤은 같지만 너의 밤은 어땠는지 이렇게 별 이 많은 밤에 수고했어 이 많은 밤에 잊어버리지는 마 소중한 왜 나 잊어버리지는 마 왜냐면 너의 색깔은 새벽에 떨어져 버린 루 하늘이 파란색인 요요 너에게서 I can see the last night 한결 편안해지고 했어 오늘 밤에도 왜 걷어 있어줘서 좋은 꿈에 번지를 했어 요즘 새벽에는 소음이 늘었어 왜냐면 너의 색다른 blue 새벽에 떨어져 버린 루 하늘이 파란색인 요요 너에게서 I can see the last night 생각은 동전이란 같아서 뒤집어 생각하란 말에 머릿속을 돌아다녔어 오늘 어떤 면이 보일까 이유 없이 찾아는 오지 마라 기지개 편 다음 이불을 뺐으니까 내가 꿈꾼과 너의 꿈이 다르듯이 밤은 같지만 너의 밤은 어땠는지 이렇게 별 이 많은 밤에 수고했어 이 많은 밤에 잊어버리지는 마 소중한 왜 나 잊어버리지는 마 왜냐면 너의 색깔은 새벽에 떨어져 버린 루 하늘이 파란색인 요요 너에게서 I can see the last night 돌아다녔어 오늘 어떤 면이 볼까 이유 없이 찾아는 오지 마로 기지개 편 다음 이불을 뺐으니까 내가 꿈꾼과 너의 꿈이 다르듯이 밤은 같지만 너의 밤은 어땠는지 이렇게 별이 많은 밤에 이 많은 밤에 수고했어 이 많은 밤에 이 많은 밤에 잊어버리지는 마 소중한 내
I should have bought another one of my palettes in here because, well, this one isn't that pricey, but it'll set you back like $30, which is a lot of money to spend, but especially like right now. But it comes with like 36 colors, I think, so, or 32 something. It comes with a lot of colors, and a lot of them in this palette are neutral. So this one is hold on, it's the Artistry palette 35G. I almost picked the purple one because I thought it said 35C or whatever. So be careful with that. But I'm gonna be using this, and it's really neutral in colors, and I think you can get it like in a lot of places or something similar to it online. So especially since sales, so you might have already picked this up because they had a big Black Friday sale with a lot of palettes and stuff. So you might have already picked this up. So if you have it, that's great. If you don't, that's also great. If you've seen a lot of my other videos, and you can see I use a lot of different stuff, including the BTS palette, which is also sort of pricey, but I'm sure you can get something similar. In my earlier videos or videos before that, then I've used like different ones. So if you have something similar to this with a lot of neutral brown colors and shimmery shades, then please feel free to use it. If you don't, then I'm not pressuring you to get anything. Save your money, kids. Save your money. But this is great if you don't want to buy stuff for a while. So I'm going to be using some of these browns. Other than that, I don't think I'll be using any other stuff from here, but I will be using some ColourPop eyeshadows also. Particularly this one, I think the shade is full of, well, it's the Full Effect Glitter in 2052 pressed glitter. It's really pretty, but it really is pretty, really beautiful. So wait, can I show you? My light is like not directed here, and also I'm sorry if the color changes a lot. I'm trying to get the color right. Probably should have did that before, but look, it's so pretty. Yeah, so let's get started with eyes. Also, I should probably share with you that you will need an eyeliner with this. Things like curling things are not necessary, but if you have one, then you know you can use it if you want to feel a little bit fancy. This is the eyeliner that I'll be using. It's the e.l.f. really cheap in Midnight. So I'll be using that, and let's get started. For this one,
한결편안해 지고했어 오늘 밤에도 왜 걷어 있어줘서 좋은 꿈에 번지를 했어 요즘 새벽에는 소음이 늘었어 왜냐면 너의 색다른 blue 새벽에 떨어져 버린 blue 하늘이 파란색인 요요 너에게서 I can see the last night last night last night 생각은 동전이란 같아서 뒤집어 생각하란 말에 머릿속을 돌아다녔어 오늘 어떤 면이 볼까 이유 없이 찾아는 오지 마로 기지개 편 다음 이불을 뺐으니까 내가 꿈꾼과 너의 꿈이 다르듯이 밤은 같지만 너의 밤은 어땠는지 이렇게 별이 많은 밤에 이 많은 밤에 수고했어 이 많은 밤에 이 많은 밤에
it's really, I don't think you guys know how hot it is when you have to record lights on. Like, it just... Okay, guys. I think you know what time it is. Obviously, we haven't done this for a while, but I think you guys know what time it is. Obviously. If you guys are new, at the end of every Ulzzang video or makeup video, we end up doing posing. We pose. So obviously it's time to pose.
유난히도 캄캄한 밤에 나 홀로 너를 생각하네. 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어. 원래 이맘쯤 너와의 여행을 생각했었는데 네가 좋아하던 와인과 선물을 준비했겠지. 기뻐할 너를 상상하며 근데 왜 이런 생각을 하면서 너를 추억만 하게 된 건지.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. This was really fun to do actually. If you guys have any questions or if you have anything that you want me to do, like a concept or anything you want me to do next, then please leave it down in the comments. A lot of you guys don't comment, and a lot of you guys don't subscribe to watch my videos. But you know, it is what it is. Thanks for watching, and you know, come back for more content such as this. It just gets better from here, I think, hopefully. So yeah guys, thanks so much for the support that you guys have shown me so far, and if you guys have any questions, please comment down below and I'll be sure to answer those for you. So yeah, we love it. So bye guys.